Hello! In this video we cover how to select records from a database at print time. There are a number of automated ways to specify the data BarTender prints. For example, you can pass document data or query criteria to BarTender from another program at print time. However, when selecting records from a database, you may sometimes wish to manually control the record selection process at print time, rather than automatically controlling this from within another software package. In this video, we cover 3 ways to manually select records from a database. They are selecting record numbers from within the print dialog, using the Select Records dialog, and using a query prompt to select records. The first method we will discuss is to type the actual record number or record numbers from within the print dialog. To begin, open the File menu and click Print. The record selection options are located at the bottom of the print dialog. Type the desired records to print into the Selected Records field. To specify multiple individual records, separate them with a comma. To request multiple consecutive records, specify the desired first and last record and separate them with a hyphen. To print all remaining records, enter 3 periods after the last requested record number. You can use each of these record selection methods individually or combine them by separating them with commas. In this case, we are generating 27 records, some of which you can see now in this print preview. The second method of manual record selection we will discuss allows you to actually view and click on the desired records in your database. Just as we did before, we start by selecting Print. This time, however, click the Select Records button in the lower right corner of the Print dialog. The Select Records dialog then displays the available records and lets you navigate through and select the ones you wish to print. A number of familiar navigation methods are available, including the scroll bar on the right. There are also Next and Previous buttons at the top. You can even specify a record number to jump to by typing it in and pressing Enter. The Show All Fields checkbox, when enabled, displays all fields regardless of whether or not they are referenced in your current document design. Unchecking this option displays only the fields that are currently being referenced in your document. Using these buttons at the top of the record list, you can easily select and deselect all records at once. Click on individual records in the table to either select or deselect them for printing. If you want more than just one copy of a record to print, specify the desired quantity using the column on the left. Press OK when you are finished to return to the Print dialog. Note that the Selected Records field updates to match the selections you made. The third method of manual record selection we will discuss lets you configure BarTender to prompt for basic criteria at print time. BarTender then executes a query and finds the desired database records for you. Begin by opening Database Connection Setup from the File menu. Select Query from the available tabs. To build your query prompt, begin by selecting the Fields column. This reveals a drop-down list with your available field names. Select the field that BarTender will use to query your database. Next, use the Operator drop-down to select the desired relationship between the field you just selected and the criteria you will prompt for at print time. Using the Criteria dropdown, select New Prompt to open the Query Prompts dialog. You can easily customize the contents of the print time user prompt field to best communicate the type of data you'll be asking for at print time. Press OK to close the Query Prompts dialog. Press the Browse tab to test that your query is working correctly. Then press OK to exit Database Connection Setup. You are now ready to prompt for the query criteria at print time. Click the Print button from the toolbar or File menu. Click Print or Preview to display your query prompt. Enter your reply into the query prompt and press Print. Thank you for watching.